Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a awesome day. Today I'm back to do a Hobbycraft haul. I popped in there, I've been waiting for them to have a good sale on. Hobbycraft always have a good sale. They always have really reduced on their products and stuff, so I was really waiting because the lovely Lisa and I did a swap last Christmas, like before Christmas, like a countdown 12-day advent calendar kind of swap, and she gifted me a £10 Hobbycraft voucher, which I thought was so lovely of her to do so. And I've just been waiting, biding my time and waiting to that Hobbycraft had a good sale on. So yeah, so I popped in there this weekend and they had quite a lot reduced. The whole of the upstairs was pretty much all reduced items. So I picked up quite a few bits that I knew that I was going to use, or and yeah, obviously that I really wanted. Like I said, they had loads of stuff up there. So I'm going to share that with you guys. There is some bits that aren't reduced, which I may just quickly share with you now, that I ended up picking up as well. So the first thing I picked up was these are like the big sort of plastic beads. I thought these were quite cute to make charms and stuff. You get like different shaped beads, you get some hearts, some flowers, and I really like these bows. I wish they had more of the, like a larger pack of the bows. I think they're really cute. And then to kind of go with those, like in the same colours, I found these little I can't remember what they're called, like little clay beads. Yeah, and these were £1, and I think these were £1 as well. So I got those. Bit boring, but some picture hooks. Picked up those, and my husband picked up this for my daughter. She loves collecting key rings, and I thought this was quite cute, bit different. It's a positive potato, and it says positive potato believes in you. That was quite cute. Yeah, so he ended up seeing that and he thought he'd get that for her. And then the rest I think was upstairs in the reduced bit. So the first thing I picked up was these were originally £10 down to £3. I thought that's quite good. And I just like the kind of vintage feel to these washi tapes. So you've got some images, like vintage people and things on there, and they're a lot wider. Like I don't have any washi tapes that are like this sort of wide, and that one's like the whole length, which is really cool. Yeah, so I just thought we got a ticket one there. Yeah, something a bit different. So I got those. I then saw this. They did have the whole collection of this, but I didn't. It's more if you're going to do like a project to like towards a baby album, that sort of thing. And I knew I wouldn't use that for anything. So, but this I thought I could use the seal for doing like a summer themed or like a circus themed kind of thing. So yeah, I thought I'm more likely to use this. I only got the die set. Like I said, they had stamps, decoupage pieces, the papers, yeah, all that pretty much in now. But this was only £1, which I thought was quite good, so I got that one. Next I picked up this We Are Memory Keepers, and it's to get rid of like stickiness from stickers and things like that. I've seen this before, but obviously a lot dearer. This was only £2, so I thought I'd pick it up this time. I don't know how well this is because I've never had one before, but I'm excited to try that out. The same as this, I picked up this as well. I thought this might be quite good to have on my desk. So it's like a little vacuum. So you know when you're doing like glitters, that sort of thing, yeah, just pick it all up for you. cleans up glitter, powder and other small scraps. So I thought that'd be quite cool. That was £10. Yeah, so I picked up that one. Then I always use this red line tape. I've had loads of this before. These are nice little small reels. You get different sizes. Some are quite thick, as you can see, and then you get like thinner ones. There is 17 rolls in here, and I thought it was quite good for £5. Again, they had loads of these there. So I got those. Then saw some of these little wooden pieces. These have got like dragons. It says magic in there. Clouds. I'm trying to see what else. Unicorns. Not 100. Oh, that's a unicorn ears. Rainbow. Yeah, so I got 2 packs of those for £1. I thought it was quite good. Then found this stamp. This is Woodware Craft Collection. Again, I thought this was really nice, a bit different. I like the birds. Then it's got some sentiments. Believe you can, dream, always, fly and love. And then you get a heart as well. Again, I thought it was quite nice and different to what I have. So that was £3. Then found these wooden pieces. They had quite a lot of wooden embellishments, but I only got the hearts because I thought they're the only ones I'd more likely to use for like Valentine's and that sort of thing. You could colour these up, paint them. You get, I think it's 2 different types. So you get this style and then that style. You get 12 in a pack, and they're only 50p. So I got those. Then found this stamp, Lisa Horton. I've never heard of her before. And I've never seen any of her other stamps. So this was only £2. Again, I thought it was quite a nice size to put on a card. It says sending you sunshine and flowers, and then it's just got this nice collection of different flowers. I thought it'd be quite nice to colour up and put on a card, and that was only £2. Then found this Sizzix die. This was £10. I just thought that was so cute with the Santa for like obviously Christmas projects, and I like the penguin upside down on the balloon, and obviously I thought these balloons are quite nice size. You can obviously use those on, doesn't have to be for Christmas. It's a Santa penguin. Yeah, I just thought it'd be quite nice to paper pierce these together. You get 10 dies in here. I thought it was quite good for £10. And then the next lot of dies is by Anna Marie Designs. You got bloom flowers. You get 3 different sizes of flower in there. These were £5. And then I got this one, which is it says Dotty Spiral. I just thought it was a bit different. I could kind of put that in the background, like to add to projects and things. Yeah, I'm not sure how that's going to cut out, but I thought it'd be quite nice to try. And again, that was £5. And then the last thing is a Sizzix die. This one says, have a magical day, sending good vibes to you today. Yeah, and it makes a I don't know if you can see that on there, like a snow globe. And I just thought I could use, obviously I could use these elements in the snow globe, but then I could use like the penguin. Yeah, that would fit in that snow globe. You know, you can kind of like mix and match the dies, and I thought this would be awesome for Christmas projects. Yeah, so I'm excited to try that. And this, so it comes with these stamps and then obviously the dies, and this was only £2. So I thought that was really good. But yeah, I thought it was like really nice, like the snow globe, and like I said, I can use it for Christmas projects. So yeah, I'm excited to try that out. And that's it, guys. So please go and check out, yeah, your Hobbycraft. Like I said, mine had quite a good sale. Like I said, the whole of the upstairs was or like reduced bits. There was loads. Oh, the other thing I picked up was these. Yeah, I forgot about these. These are distress spritz. I couldn't tell you, does it say on there? They're like the colours. I have no idea. I've never had any of these before. Yeah, I just thought they'd be quite nice to try. These are the kind of colours of them. It's like a blue. I think they need shaking up a bit, but I thought they'd be also like to try on different projects. If you've tried these, let me know what they're like. I've never tried them before. I just thought they'd be kind of cool to try. I think these were like £1 or something. So really cheap. That's why I kind of picked them up. Thought they might be a bit different. They're Ranger ones as well. So yeah, so I got those. And that's it, guys. Like I said, I want to say thank you to the lovely Lisa for gifting me the voucher. I really appreciate you sending that to me. Yeah, and I can't wait to create with all these goodies. Have an awesome week, guys, and I will catch you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.